Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with Meghraj. Once again, welcome back to the video. So sorry for being late of posting this new video this week. Last week I was a bit occupied, and yeah, thanks for showing your support. So let's get started. Today we are going to discuss about unleashing the power of AI, and I have sorted down this list to like the top 10 interesting tools that I personally prefer using, which I found it interesting, as well as the one which most widely is used, as well as the ones which are completely new to you, right? So we're going to explore the new AI tools and uncover them in today's video. So let's get this thing started off. The first one is ChatGPT that you see on the screen. So I'll just I'll just skip the login part. I've just pinned the steps so that we can go one by one. So ChatGPT is a AI tool by OpenAI. Everyone knows it, so nothing much to explain. But we have recent additions to this tool with the ChatGPT 4.0 model, and and you have the ChatGPT Plus, which is a premium one. It's hidden behind a paywall. Obviously, you need to pay if you need to upgrade. Great. But yeah, even the free one does help out in most of the stuff. You can even attach some document and ask it to summarize what it is. For example, if I just want to give it some, okay, so just give the template of my video. Oh, let's ask, what do you see in this image, right? So let's see what is the answer it gives. Perfect. So it's able to actually pinpoint and say each and everything on the image. It's basically trying to explain you what it's there on the image. So that's really good, right? So yeah, ChatGPT is quite useful for regular queries as well as such stuff, right? And let's move on to the next tool, that's going to be Perplexity. And Perplexity AI is another tool which has been widely used. So this thing actually is more, I would say, accurate in some areas, like bringing out search from over the web, right? So for example, so it's already giving such examples for us here, but I don't want such things. I just want it to focus on the web, right? So the web thing. So okay, recently, if you see, there have been some hurricanes in the USA. So hurricanes in USA last week. Let's see if it has the results. Yeah, so it says Hurricane Milton, obviously. Yeah, and yeah, it has sorted out and given us the perfect information from different pages and sources. So this did really give me uh, gist of what happened, right? So it's updated with the latest data from the web. It can pull out and give you summary. So quite useful again. Do check this out. The next tool I would suggest is Microsoft's Copilot. So there's a Copilot built in the Microsoft Edge browser itself. Again, it's from Microsoft. So if you know the story, it is also one of the greatest AI tools right now. So, for example, we can even attach an image or add a screenshot and ask it to summarize. So, I just don't want to go through the demo once again here, but I'll just quickly say that on Windows machines, you also have the Copilot desktop application pre-installed. So, with the Windows 11, so yeah, it actually does work in the same way like the browser one, but you also have the Copilot nowadays integrated in the Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So that's again a lot of uh, usage can be done if you're writing code, and you can just ask it to modify or improve or shorten your code, review the code, right? So yeah, quite useful. Yeah, quite useful stuff there. So thumbs up once again for Copilot in such use cases. Next, let's go and move on to Gemini. Gemini is from Google. Earlier it was called Bard, but yeah, this is again quite great. So it's asking for us to enter a prompt. So this actually also has image generation capabilities. So let's ask it to generate an image for us. So BYD seal. That's my favorite dream car. So in front of Hyderabad's Charminar Street. Let's see if it. Okay, it's trying to actually summarize this. I don't want this. I don't want that. Let's ask it to generate an image of BYD seal. Yeah, let's try. Okay, it's trying to create an image with Imagen 3 model. Fine. Wow, that looks fine for me with the Charminar background. The car doesn't look exact, but yeah, I am satisfied with the result, right? So you can even download it. So yeah, thumbs up for that. And the Quick Tools PixArt AI writer. So Quick Tools is a AI platform created by PixArt. PixArt is mostly used for photo and video editing. So yeah, so you have many things here. As I can see, you have an email writer, summarizer, translator, wow, slogan generator, hashtag generator. So if I just go ahead and okay, add copy video script generator. Okay, let's try this. Okay, YouTube video. Yeah, this is just one of my. I just wanted to ask it. So it just give us the script for this video, right? So quite useful, right? In case if you're not sure or if you want to prepare just before you create your video, you can ask it to do. So even essay, emails, paragraph, prompt, script, story. So you can even ask it to create a movie story for us, right? Right. So that's good. Even translation. So input, let me give English. Output, let me ask it something in Japanese. Hello, how are you? Translate. So you can give it up to 1,000 words. Wow. So if I just want to text someone in Japanese who's from Japan, I can do that from here, right? So even Google can do it, but in case if you want lengthy text to be translated, you can, right? So that's for this tool. Quite useful. Next thing I would say on my list again is Poi.com. So Poi is one of it's a tool which is created by the founders of Quora. Quora is a social media platform where people post questions and anyone can give answers to it. So Quora, I used to use it a lot. So they have built an AI platform where you have collection of tools, collection of AI and machine learning bots here. So really interesting stuff. I would say actually this is quite interesting collection. I would say there are a lot of bots being hosted here. So I don't want to go through this in brief, but do have a look whenever you're free. So it even has role play bots, translation bots, professional bots, text analysis, advice. Okay, so if someone wants love advice, you can ask it here. So advice you can ask it here. So just kidding, guys. So learning bots also. So yeah, if you want okay, homework bot, wow. See, Arabic teacher, AI math bot, chemistry teacher, wow. So these bots are trained on those specific subjects, and hence if you give it a question from that subject, it's going to help you out. And yeah, programming bots, this is something which is quite useful. So hobby bots, wow, really great. So just go and check this tool out. Quite useful, and another thumbs up for this one. Going to the next tool, I'm gonna show you. It's gonna be our Next tool, that's Runway ML. So this is a video generating tool. I would say you can convert a text to video with your prompts, or you can also generate video to video as well. You can modify the video, or you can so that's using the generative video, generative audio as well. You also have text to image. It can generate images. I just want to convert an existing image to a motion picture. So I just did one recent one, but let me just do it in front of you one more time. Let me upload a file. So for example, I have this thing called, okay, so this is my favorite wallpaper. So let me just try that. Okay, this one. Okay, uploaded the file. Okay, assets, go to this, use generative video, select the asset. Okay, it's asking to crop. So let me just crop it a bit. I want it to be zoomed like this. Okay, so this is the one. So this is just a plain image, right? Let's go ahead and prompt it. So I want the sky having the thunders, the horse moving to the left, the Krishna's dress to be waving because of wind. So let's give that prompt. Horse moving, running to the left, sky having thunder, lightning, right? Strikes, and Krishna's dress waving due to heavy wind gusts. I'm just improving my vocabulary here so that it gives us such image. So 5 seconds, let me just choose 10 seconds, let's generate. So that was the actual image, right? So this is the video it created. You see how animated it is? The horse is moving in a slow motion, it's waving, and even the dress is moving here, right? So even the flames, you see, right? It's in a motion thing. So really liked it. It did not work this time. Probably some moderation thing, but that's fine, right? This was already generated by me before creating this video. So yeah, thumbs up for this one. Let's go to the next tool. The next tool is gonna be HeyGen. So HeyGen is a tool where you can create your avatars, an AI avatar, an AI voice on behalf of you. Just give it text, it's gonna speak. So I just uploaded one video where I just gave my channel introduction and asked it to translate to Tamil. So this one. So this is just in English. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech with Megraj. So please do hit the like, subscribe, and share icon for this video. And I'll be posting interesting tech stuff on my channel. Right? So I just uploaded the same video, asked it to translate to Tamil. And here it speaks in Tamil.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் தொழில்நுட்பம் சேனலுக்கு வரவேற்கிறேன் ராஜ்.
And this is with the
இந்த
lip sync.
வீடியோவுக்கு விரும்பும் சந்தா ஆகும் மற்றும் பகிரும் ஐகானை அழுத்தவும். நான் என் சேனலில் சுவாரஸ்யமான தொழில்நுட்பம் உள்ளடக்கங்களை பதிவேற்றுவேன்.
To be honest, I'm Tamilian, but I can't speak this professional level of Tamil in my real life. So I was actually awestruck seeing this translation. That's one thing. And the next video is gonna be Misgif. So let me just open that up on this tab. Yeah, this is Misgif. I'll just provide the links to everything in the description of this video. So for example, this tool, you have all the popular GIFs here, but you can create your own. Just swap someone's face with the existing GIF. So for example, I like Prabhas. So let's go for Prabhas, and yeah. So this one, I like this actually. Right, the Kalki one. So let me choose a file, try to swap my own face with it. So this is my face. Sorry, that's a picture of 2 year old, 2 year back. So yeah, I was looking like that. So let's see if it swaps my face with the Prabhas image with the GIF. And it's a downloadable GIF, by the way. So it's trying to swap the face, taking a moment. Wow. See, see, it swapped my face here. And does look quite interesting. So yeah, something funny to try. So this is again the funny stuff. Okay, so the previously mentioned things were productive AI tools. This is again for fun. All right. So again, the next tool I would talk about is MyLens.ai. This is visualization app where you can create time lapse, mind maps, quadrants, table, flowchart, all different things for visualizing data, right? So it's quite useful. So for example, if I want to ask it a timeline, okay, let's ask it a timeline, timeline of Google for since it's started, right? So it's generating Google's evolution. See how fast it is, right? So it clearly, even I see that it gives the name of founders correct. Ad once launched, IPO when a IPO of Google was released. Okay, so Google Assistant, and yeah, this is quite useful. So it gave us the evolution of Google. So for example, if I want, how can one get started in an IT help desk role, right? Not timeline. I would want it to give us a mind map. So generate. Okay, it's thinking. Wow, see the way it created this mind map. Quite interesting. So it's saying you need experience. You need to first start with internships. Education, you need certifications like the relevant ones. Skills, see again, it's giving all the relevant skills for IT help desk. Job search, career growth. So quite useful tool, right? You can even download and share these mind maps and the flowcharts it creates. So again, thumbs up for such useful productive tool created using AI, right? So, and yeah, that comes up to the end of this video. So yeah, that was all the top AI tools that I use and recommend for daily life. Few are productive tools, few are just for fun. So do have a look and check it out. I'll mention all the links for those AI tools in the description of the video. And I hope you found it interesting. So please keep using AI in your daily life. AI does help out a lot and in productivity, and recent studies have proven that it has increased productivity by at least 40 times for those who use AI in their work daily. So yeah, keep using it, and I'm looking forward for the tech which actually brings out all these tools where you do not use a computer physically or a laptop or a phone. I want it, you know, to have such tools be available on the Meta and the Apple Vision Pro glasses, just like these, and you can just scroll like this and try out. So that's going to be the future soon. I'm hoping it does come up quite in this decade itself. All right, yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you. See you in the next one.